Smartphone problems 2025. Many seniors feel frustrated when their smartphone becomes harder to use every 6 months as new updates change the screen and buttons. This matters because over 70% of people over 60 now rely on their phones for banking, health, and family contact, so confusing settings can lead to mistakes or even money loss. In this video we will adjust simple settings so your phone becomes clearer, safer. Display size and brightness. Relief often comes in under 5 minutes when you increase text size, icon size, and brightness so your eyes do less work. Clearer display settings are crucial because small fonts and low contrast cause mistaps and headaches, and the solution is to go into display or accessibility settings and raise font size, make icons larger, and turn on high contrast or dark mode if your eyes feel. Screen lock and security. Peace of mind grows quickly when you know that if your phone is lost, your data and banking apps are not open to the first person who picks it up. Security settings are important because stolen or misplaced phones cause thousands of cases of fraud each year, and the practical step is to choose a simple but strong lock such as a 6-digit PIN or a pattern you can remember easily instead of no. Emergency SOS and medical ID. Safety increases in a real emergency when one long press or 5 quick button clicks can automatically call help and show your medical details. Emergency features matter because in the first 10 minutes of a crisis you may not be able to unlock your phone or dial correctly, so the smart move is to set up SOS calling and a medical ID or emergency information that doctors or bystanders can. Sound volume and vibration. A surprising number of missed calls disappear once you properly set ringer volume, vibration strength, and hearing-friendly options like mono audio. These sound settings are important because low volume or confusing notification tones make you miss family calls, while overly loud alerts can startle you or your partner, and the fix is to open sound settings and test ringtones, alarms, and scam call blocking. Quiz. Concern rises when you realize that millions of scam calls target older adults every year, but a few settings can dramatically reduce these risky interruptions. Call blocking matters because one rushed tap on a fake bank call can lead to real money loss, and the correct reaction is to use built-in spam protection and blocked numbers so most of these calls never ring. Quick quiz for you. Scam call blocking. Answer. Confidence grows when you learn that silencing unknown callers is usually better than blocking them because real doctors, delivery drivers, or new helpers often call from numbers you do not recognize. This approach is important because completely blocking unknown numbers can cause you to miss medical reminders or important service calls, while silencing them lets scam calls go straight to notification management. Summary. Calm returns quickly when you cut daily notifications from maybe 100 random alerts down to just the 10 that truly matter to you. Notification control is important because constant buzzing raises stress, drains battery, and makes it easier to overlook real messages, and the solution is to go into notifications settings and turn off alerts for games, ads, and rarely used apps. While FAQ. Battery data updates. Practical questions usually start with battery, especially when a phone that was lasting 2 days now struggles to survive 12 hours. Battery settings matter because frequent charging is inconvenient and can shorten battery life over several years, and the best approach is to use battery or power settings to enable power saving mode, reduce screen time out to around 30 seconds, and limit accessibility tools. Checklist. Comfort often increases by 30% or more when you start using built-in accessibility tools designed exactly for people with weaker eyesight, slower fingers, or mild tremor. These tools matter because they reduce effort and mistakes without requiring new apps, and you can open accessibility settings to enable options like magnifier to zoom text, larger touch targets, assistive on-screen. Final checklist and action. Real change happens when you turn at least one of these settings into a daily habit instead of just watching a 15-minute video and then forgetting every step. To lock in the benefits, quickly review your own phone by checking display size and brightness, screen lock and emergency info, sound and scam blocking, notifications and battery, and at least one accessibility tool that makes